tuwing lumalapit ka sa'kin. Huwag mong masyadong isipin, ngayon lang to, ngayon lang siguro. Nakita kita papalapit, namamanhid ang katawan, parang di mapakali, tila wala na sa sarili, di maikubli. Nagbabaka sakali lang, di ko maitanggi. Kahit dito sa malayuan, huwag kang masyadong isipin, ngayon lang to, ngayon lang sigurado.
Real love is not something we chase, not something we search for or force into existence. It is a natural unfolding that happens when we stop trying to control it. Love is not about finding perfection in each other, but about embracing each other's imperfections.
Makita po natin yung sikreto sa pangako na binibitawan ng ikinakasal sa araw po ng kanilang kasal. Kung maalala po ninyo, nung kayo po kinasal, ano po yung ipinangako ninyo sa isa't isa? Gusto ko pong i-remind kayo, no? Ito din po yung dadasalin nila Gian, Harvey at Angeli. Sabi po ninyo noon, nung kayo kinasal, sabi po ninyo sa isa't isa, "Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part."
When we fall in love, we don't plan for it. It is something we allow, not something we achieve. Love is not a goal to reach. It's a journey to experience. It's the letting go of fear, the willingness to be vulnerable, and the ability to embrace the unknown. It is the moment when we choose to be seen and to see someone else in their most authentic, raw form. In that space of openness, real love is born. It grows not because it is perfect, but because it is real.
Sa pangako na bibitawan nyo sa araw na ito, kapag kayo ay magiging totoo, kayo ay magsasakripisyo, kayo po ay mag-effort na patotohanan ang inyong magiging pangako, magkakaroon kayo ng masayang buhay may asawa.
Free from the pressure of control, rooted in trust, and held together by the understanding that love is not something you do, but something that happens when you simply allow it to unfold.